Laos is a country which is covered with the world's richest kind of ecosystem, tropical rainforests where rice, pineapples, and bananas are developed from. However, nowadays it is under danger of monoculture technique, deforestation, which destroys rainforests, replacing it with just one kind of crop.
Biodiversity is the variety of life on Earth. The number of species of plants, animals, and microorganisms. The enormous diversity of genes in these species. The different ecosystems on the planet, such as deserts, coral reefs, and rainforests, are all part of a biologically diverse Earth. Greater species diversity ensures natural sustainability for all life forms. For example, Panama disease is caused by pests. The common solution would be using pesticides and insecticides. That might be a quick solution, but the productivity would not be sustained. Why? Because it can be toxic to pollinators of banana trees. Large insect varieties increases plant productivity. Each plant has its own pollinators. For instance, butterflies are pollinators for banana species. Scientists estimate that there are approximately 24,000 species of butterfly on Earth, yet just a small amount of them have been discovered.
You might wonder why it is necessary to have so many kinds of insects. The reason is that they help plants to pollinate, and plant productivity depends on maintaining high insect biodiversity. By using pesticides and insecticides, it decreases the biodiversity of insects, declining productivity, which automatically decreases revenue obtained from crop harvest.
Many farmers choose to use chemicals to keep weeds and pests from destroying their crops and to add more nutrients to the soil. But continuing down this path will not last forever. The more chemical you use, the less plant productivity you'll get. For example, as farmers spray more and more pesticides and insecticides to protect banana crops, they actually gradually kill themselves indirectly. So, we would advise a better way to solve this problem. Exploring. Why do we explore? To find resistant varieties. How can it reduce pollution? By using the method of artificial selection. Select the breed that has resistance of the disease from nature and cross it with the desired breed. It decreases the use of toxic substances which are used on crops.
The best place to go exploring would be National Biodiversity Conservation Areas or NBCA. So, the government needs to increase areas designated for NBCA to maintain large gene pools because many wild plants and animals possess variable genes. The more land designated for NBCA, the better, because if one variety goes extinct, we wouldn't know what will happen. The variety might be important in the future, so know what treasures you have, conserve them wisely, and explore what is within before some species become extinct by human destruction.